Now, before we launch our store and go live, let's configure a special coupon code. To do that, under WooCommerce, click on the Coupons button here. Then click on Create Your First Coupon. First, we'll have to create a coupon code. For example, if we wanted to offer a 10% off coupon, we could do 10 off. And when someone types in that coupon code and applies it to their purchase, it's going to give them 10% off. Then you can add a description. This isn't going to be seen by the customer. It's only going to be seen by you. Then we'll want to configure our coupon data. Here we have 3 different types of discount types. We have a fixed cart discount, a percentage discount, and a fixed product discount. For my coupon, I'm going to go with a percentage. And then for the coupon amount, I'm going to set that to 10. We can also choose we want this coupon to allow free shipping and also set an expiration date. You'll notice here we also have 2 tabs on the left-hand side. We have usage restriction and usage limits. In the usage restriction tab, you can limit the coupon to certain products. You can set a minimum order amount or exclude sale items. And then under usage limits, you can control how many times the code can be used total or by customer. With all of our settings configured here, once you're happy with everything, go to the right-hand side and click on Publish. And with that done, your coupon is now going to be live.